As we said earlier, Boeing shares rallying this morning. CEO Kelly Ortberg giving an update on the company's turnaround at a Bernstein conference this hour. Our Phil LeBeau has been tracking that. Actually talked about it a bit with Scott Kirby, too, this morning.
And Kirby's optimistic about where Boeing is headed. And when you listen to the comments, and Kelly Ortberg is still speaking at the Bernstein conference, but what he had to say with regards to 737 MAX production, that's the reason the shares are moving higher. So as a reminder, it's monthly production, and this is where the airline is, or I should say the company is right now. And remember, this is capped by the FAA. So every time they move, they have to ask the FAA, currently at 38, but they are positioned to move up to 42 per month in the coming months. And then by the end of the year, Kelly Ortberg said at the conference just a few minutes ago, they are prepared to review a move up to 47 per month in 2026. Here's Ortberg talking at the Bernstein conference.
Moving from, essentially a stop production post-strike up through 38 a month, the improvements we've made to our safety and quality plan, to our production processes, have really paid big dividends. And we are seeing the improvement. In fact, we're producing a little higher than I even expected.
A couple other notes from his comments there. They plan to resume deliveries to China starting next month. You guys know how this works. They plan to resume deliveries to China. Let's see what's going on in terms of the trade war between the U.S. and China, and if China is willing to accept aircraft starting next month. And then when it comes to the 787 Dreamliner production, they are planning on moving up to 7 per month with potential to get to 10 per month over the next couple of years. There have been a lot of orders for that aircraft. So overall, if you are bullish on Boeing, you like what you're hearing from Kelly Ortberg right now.
I was surprised at how bullish the president's trip to the Middle East was for Boeing. I mean, he really sold Boeing, and they got a lot of orders in the Middle East for someone that actually has been frustrated with Boeing before for the delay of Air Force One.
Well, that's true. But at the end of the day, we need Boeing. As a country, we need Boeing to do well. And if you're the president, nothing better than to say, I've locked down a couple hundred orders for wide-body aircraft.
All right, Phil, thank you very much. Boeing shares reacting well, up 4.3%. It's good to have you here.
Good to be here.
Phil LeBeau.